Almost didn't get you.
Yeah, I can't leave it unless you're home.
Okay.
Because it's me just sitting.
Thank you so much.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right.
I almost didn't get it. Oh my gosh. He almost left. That's dirty. Hold on. I almost didn't catch the FedEx guy. He said he can't leave it unless I'm home. So he almost left. Oh my god. And I have to pick it up 20 minutes away from here. I got my Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. Alright, so let's open. Free sample of the Natasha Denona Transform Matte Foundation. This is their newest foundation. Mine is gonna be the medium one, but we'll see if I'm gonna be 70 warm neutral. This one is 50 warm neutral. This is the bronze palette. I love the box. I keep the boxes for my husband. He has a thing for keeping boxes like that. This is the Natasha Denona. Can you guys see it? All right, so this is the spot right here. All right, my first mini palette, well, medium size, but mini 15 pan Natasha Denona. And this is how it looks like. It's actually not that striking, but it is very pretty, and I like this kind of colors. These are the colors right on my alley. I love colors like this. This is all me. Everything here is so pretty. This is what the palette looks like. So pretty. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my bedroom. I have a very good lighting here. I am doing my introduction. Also, I'm gonna swatch the palette here in my bedroom. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with me. And also, I created this look at the end of the video. Welcome to my bedroom. There is a good sunlight here. Very good lighting here. I got 2 sets of big windows and the light is just so nice here in my bedroom. So this is where I want to swatch the bronze palette. I don't want to swatch it in the studio lighting. This is the perfect room for me to swatch all these shadows. Hold on. This is the bronze palette. I've seen a lot of swatches online, a lot of swatches on YouTube. Sometimes, you know, I should say they're too generous. They're too generous swatching these shadows. You don't know what is the real deal when it comes to eyeshadows, and also they Photoshop those stuff. So I want to show you guys the real swatches. I'm gonna go cross like that. I'm gonna rather hold it like this so you guys are not blinded. True Copper is this one right here. Ooh. Next is Suntan. I use this on my eye. I'm gonna add some more because, you know guys, mattes don't swatch that amazing. Next is Sundown. Okay, next is Deep Dive right here. Also get this Rhodium. Woo. Deep Dive is the only cream to powder formula in this palette. This one is Rhodium. This one is on my eye as well. It's so pretty, guys. So they swatch pretty good. All right, next is this line right here. This one is Magma. Okay, I'm just gonna do it right here on my palm. First is Magma. That's pretty good for a matte. First is Magma. Second is High Degree. Because it's so hot. High Degree. Ooh. Next is Alloy. Natasha Denona used Alloy in her tutorial and it's so pretty. Next one is a matte formula, Ridge. Wow, mustard color, so pretty. It's more camel to me. And then the last one is True Bronze. What? This is Magma, High Degree, Alloy, Ridge, and True Bronze. Look at that True Bronze. So pretty. It has like micro gold glitters. Bronze with micro gold glitters. Alloy. And this one, High Degree, the metallic, very sophisticated color. All right, for the last line right here. First color is Gloaming. Right here. It looks like a highlighter blush. To me, it's a pretty eyeshadow. Okay, there we go. You guys see? So pretty. It has a red undertone. Palladium or Palladium. Did you guys see that? Oof. Wow, it is very metal-like. Next is one of my favorites, Bliss. It has green micro glitters, but it's a duochrome between pink and gold, multiple chrome. If there's green, gold, and pink. Next is Silk. Silk is one of my favorites too. Whoa, look at that. Oh my, this is super metallic. So pretty. The last color is gonna be Beach. This is a matte color. Everybody loves this transition shade. Again, this is Gloaming, Palladium, Bliss, Silk, and Beach. Beach, Silk, and Bliss, I use that. This is the eye look that I created today. Alright guys, so that's it for my swatches. I hope you like it. If you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. I ordered this at Natasha Denona website. Took 2 days to ship. I pre-ordered it. They shipped 23rd, which is the launch day. This is the actual palette, and this is the inside right here. 15 new shades from Natasha Denona. At the back is like this. It's a very soft matte feel plastic. This palette is the same size as the Sunrise palette and also the Love palette, which is the limited edition. You can pop this eyeshadows right off the palette and create your own with those other 2 palettes. Just looking at this palette, these are the colors that I go for. I love bronze shadows. I love the bronze shades. This is the perfect eyeshadow palette for me, I think. Alright guys, so my face is all prepped. I have my foundation. I used the Huda Beauty foundation. I also used the L'Oreal concealer, my favorite concealer, for my face palette, which is my blush and highlighter. I use this Becca. This is my favorite face palette. This is the Becca Chrissy Teigan Glow Face palette. This is all for bronzing as well. I prep my eyes with MAC Paint Pot Painterly. I'm ready to try this bronze palette and I'm so excited. I actually don't know what color to choose. This is the lighter shade, which is Beach. I'm gonna get that with my JH36. Just a little bit to start off. Ooh, a very, very nice color for transition. A very convenient shade that you can wear every day. You can pop this color and just apply mascara, which I already have, and you're ready to go on your day just like that. That could be a look already. I like extending my eyeshadow right here, so my eyes are gonna look bigger. I have Asian small eyes and I like to elongate right there. I honestly think this is a pretty eyeshadow color. Perfect. I can just go on my day like this. This is an everyday look right here. Next, I want to go with Suntan. This one, Magma, is a lot redder than I would like for the look today. So I'm just gonna go with Suntan. This is a smaller brush. This is Luxie 231, which is a small tapered blending brush. So I'm gonna put this in the outer corner of my eye. Do a circular motion, which is a good way to blend eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna look and see if I can see it. There you go, it's a good placing, and then I'll just blend that. I'm gonna go on my crease, pulling the eyeshadow up. Do not drag it down or else you're gonna have a droopy eye look. You want to put it up so you look younger. I actually like building up the color rather than packing it, so I can control the eyeshadow, especially if it's a new eyeshadow palette. You don't want to pack so much unless the creator already said that it's okay to pack and you've seen a lot of videos. What I do is build the colors up, because sometimes the palette is very pigmented and sometimes you can't control how vibrant the colors are on your eye, and it's just me. I think that looks really good. So I'm looking straight on my mirror and building it up, and then with the same brush I'm going to bring that color under my eye just a little bit and then connecting them just halfway. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll be back. Alright, next color. I really want to try rhodium, the purple one. That's how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna pop that. But I'm gonna leave 1/3 in the inner corner because I'm gonna put a lighter shade. I'm going to get a smaller brush. This is the JH42, and then I'm gonna get rhodium again so it's more precise. I can get better shape. Packing this shadow right here. About it, get a little emotion. Wow. I'm gonna pick a color for the inner corner of the eye. Alright, so True Copper, Bliss is a dual. Bliss right here is so pretty. It has that pink and gold shift and has tiny, really micro glitter flecks, but it's green. Alright, so I'm gonna get Bliss right here with my JH42 again. Put it in the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna blend in between rhodium and then Bliss. I'm packing and blending Bliss with rhodium now. I'm gonna drag it in the inner corner of my eye. These shadows are really pretty. I'm gonna use my finger and put that here in the inner corner. This is Bliss. I'm gonna put a color here, right here in the under inner corner. I'm gonna choose Silk right here. It's one of the lighter metallic shades. I'm gonna put that in the under inner corner. Whoa. Alright, I didn't expect that. It's a bam. This one is the Makeup Forever brush 210. I'm gonna get Deep Dive. Deep Dive is the only creamy to powder finish right here. It's the darkest shade. I want to put it here at the edge and make this color darker. You can use Deep Dive for many purposes. You can use it as an eyeliner. Also, you can put this first as a base of any eyeshadow here. Since it's a creamy shadow, it's gonna be a nice base. I'm going to take my Luxie again, which the one that we use, and then I'm going to blend this shadow. And this one is easy to blend. For a creamy shadow, Natasha Denona has a good creamy formula because it's easy to blend. The difference, like this and this one, this is like sultry now. Pulled my eye up, dragging it upwards and make my face look younger. But this one is still going down. That's why people are putting wing liner just to drag their eyes up. That's gonna make you look 5 years younger. Alright, I'm gonna do it in my other eye as an eyeliner right here, and then drag it up to blend it with rhodium. Alright, I'm gonna get this one and blend it. I think that is perfect. Alright, so this is the eye look that I want to create, and I'm gonna finish that off with another layer of mascara. This one is Pat McGrath, and then I'm going to fill my brows a little bit. Just a little bit because I already filled them this morning. I had my doctor's appointment. Maybe some of you guys know I have psoriatic arthritis. I restarted my Humira. Well, the coronavirus is still out there, but I stopped during the peak of the virus because taking Humira weakens my immune system, so I had to stop. So now my doctor and I talked about restarting it, and that's what the appointment was about. And then I'm gonna get my ColourPop. This is the clear one, my brow gel. Okay, for my lips, I'm going for a bold lip color. This one is the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Red 2. This is an orange red. I'm gonna bronze up with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Bronzer, and this one is in tan. This one is Anastasia A23, pretty famous brush. This is going to make me look like I just got back from the beach. to blend it with my neck. I tried this bronzer with a KKW Beauty brush with this brush right here, and it didn't go well. It was patchy, so definitely use a fluffy brush with this bronzer. It goes very nicely airbrushed. The JH05. I'm gonna pick up some bronzer and put it right here. This is a body bronzer as well, and the ear too. My ears. For a very bronze look, I'm going to use this Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Chasing the Sun. This is the highlighter Chasing the Sun, and what I do is like I just pick it up with my finger and rub it right on my skin where I want it, like there. See that? Ah, so pretty. Look, instant tan, and I put it right here where my bone is showing. This is the look right here. I'm gonna list all the products that I used today in the description box. Yeah, this is 10 out of 10. I love it. The Natasha Denona Bronze Palette is retail for $65. I got it for $70, including tax. Free shipping at Natasha Denona website. Also Beautylish. Beautylish has a faster shipping. It's an overnight shipping if you order from them. Natasha Denona took 2 days for me to get it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this palette. Comment down below. Ring that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also follow me on Instagram. It is at Swatch Queen 1. That's Swatch Queen 1. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Korina and I'm Swatch Queen. Bye.